some of the angelfish are beginning to pop off of this intake, and they're starting to swim around, and it might look like the parents are eating them, but what they're doing is they're actually catching them, and then they're bringing them back over to the intake and blowing them back out onto the intake, hoping that they'll get glued to the intake for a little while longer. And the reason that they're doing that, and there's another one, and Daddy just caught it, and the reason that they're doing that is that they want them to stay in that one place where they can keep an eye on them and they can be safe. But as more and more of the babies begin to pop off, they have a whole big job ahead of them here to keep them all together. And as more of them begin to pop off, I'm going to wait and see how the parents do, and they're just so attentive that I'm really tempted to keep the babies in here. But if it looks like it'll be more dangerous for them to stay here, then I'll move them over to the infant tank, which is waiting just around the corner for them.